Hello guys, welcome back. If you don't understand the comments very well, how to use it like assign or creating BIM, don't be too scared because we are going to dive deeper into these comments later. But now we are going to see a quick view of what each comment do. Okay, now I say if we want to analyze this BIM, we need to load some force on it. But how we can do this? We go to define, and in define we use loads. If I don't load cases, as you can see, we have the dead load. What is the dead load? Dead load is the way of the beam. We're only going to use the way of the beam in this model, and don't use another weight on it. Just go and use the load of the, you can see the load patterns here. All we're gonna use is the dead load, and this dead load is the weight of the beam. Okay, we click OK, and then we can, by clicking here, run the analysis now. Okay, we go by now that we don't know about anything about this menu and how to work it. We just click on run. Anytime you want to run a model, it wants you to save the model. We save it as a beam. You can see here the model is going to run. Okay. This is the model. You can see here that the model has been run, and you can start the animation and see how the model is going to work under the weight. Okay, what this run do, we will tell you in the oncoming lessons. But now you learn how to create a beam and run it for analysis. Okay, that's it for this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are going to continue our work in the next lesson.